Good morning, mate. Marcus Schneider here today, and today we're gonna go to a car show. Well, car meet thingy. There's gonna be a lot of import. So today, bringing the camera, I want to get out of the house. I was supposed to film a bunch of other stuff. Some people are supposed to get a message back to me, and they're not. So I'm like, no, what? Screw this. Instead of me waiting here all day doing stuff, or you know, actually edit videos so they can get out, because that'd be smart. They go and see a car show because I get out of the house. Ah, what a beautiful day. There's a cat. There's a cat. There's still snow. Yay, that's still frozen to the ground. Hi, Crow. So I need to work on that eventually. And what car were they gonna take? I would love to take the 67, but the 67 is still getting carburetor work. So were they gonna take the bumper deleted bald ass tire Sunfire? It's locked? Why the hell is it locked? If someone steals this, it'd be a blessing. Oh. Look at all those lights. Lights up like a Christmas tree.
Ending today, and you knew how to escape. Would you bring me to your starship? Would you find a way to live? If I came knocking at your door on the last day on the earth, would you give a try to fix this soul?
Well, until some cars made it. Some cars that this meet's actually for, because this is for an import car meet, and I'm driving very much a domestic beat-up beater Sunfire. That was definitely made in Canada. I mean, quickest way to tell. Pop that open. What does it say on there? Mexico. So never mind. Technically, this car is an import. Yeah, that's the #1 key. Every Sunfire and stuff, you can just pop that out in like 2 secs. It all depends on what the panels say. Like if the panels say Canada or Mexico, because that's when these cars were made. So it's either a domestic or an import, but people don't count it as an import. Yeah, because now this fucker's here. with the Camaro, you know, like both bringing domestics to an import. Yeah. I mean, the Sunfire's from Mexico. It's fine.
You just let me go. I know we can overcome it. Side by side we shine like diamonds. It's stars and moons collide. Love will save our and no regret in this moment of forgiveness. We'll just hear and understand. I know we can overcome it. Side by side we shine like diamonds. If stars and moons collide, love will save our life. Love will save our life. Love will save our life.
So car meet's over. There's some guys over there still, but I stayed longer because I had to meet up with a guy. Because look, the 67's got a new carburetor. It's only like the 5th or 6th carburetor I've bought in for the fucking truck. This one should work. Bought it from a reliable guy. Me and him have bought and sold lots of parts. This carburetor will work. It was rebuilt last year, so got it for a good deal too. He's a decent guy. Really, really respect him. He has a really sick truck. So that's gonna go on the 67 later. But now I'm gonna run home and maybe do a couple things around the house, but then probably call it a day. Got some editing to do and a carburetor to bring to the shop tomorrow for the truck. Well, time to end off this vlog. I'll throw a quick video up of what my trip home was like. Fast way to blow up a motor. She's an automatic, it won't shift out of 2nd gear. Yeah, she's not they make it. That moment when you know the vehicle's on its last ride home. I can't even force this thing to shift in the 3rd manually. She's fucked. Yes, that farm car is finally going. But that kind of put me out for the day. I'm just now sitting here, starting to get some editing done, and calling it a night. I am bushed. Thank you for watching. I try and do the vlogging a little bit more now, whenever I can. But I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching. See you guys in the next video. Follow your dreams. Peace.